Hi everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. So those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all these like free lectures and even the job notification. So today we come up with a job notification. It's a very good job. It's a scientist job. So that from National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, and it is an autonomous scientific society of Minister of Electronics and IT, Government of India. So it's a government job, and we are having a two vacancies here. One is scientist B and scientific assistant A, and pay scale is even very good. So you can see the scientist B is your group A post, and see the number of post here it's saying they have revised it. So this is the revised. So for scientist B, total 18 vacancies is there. Okay, and this is the respective. So I have uploaded this in the description. You can go there and you can see the number of vacancies. And it is having good vacancies. Only 18 here for scientist B, and for scientific assistant it is 63 vacancies. Okay, now so I will explain what are the important dates and everything it is there. So like if you'll see, this is the website. Okay, if you'll click here, this revised vacancies, if you'll click here, you will, it will redirect to here. Okay, it will redirect to here, and see the start date for submission, they have started on 10/6/2021 and end is 9/7. Okay, so we are having a time. You can go there and fill the form. Okay, so this is the link, this is the link you can go as. Okay, this is the link you can go see. So this link also I have given in the description. Go there and you can fill the form, new registration, and any information it is there. You can go there and you can see. So let me explain you what are the vacancies. Let me tell you what are the vacancies and all. Okay. So pay scale is also good. You have, you see scientist be 56,100. It will go till 1,77,500, and upper age limit is 30. So it will have written test, that is objective type MCQ, then followed by interview. Okay, for scientist B. So it is having both written test as well as the interview. And MSc in Electronics and Computer Science, BTech is also eligible in all these streams. You can see here BE, BTech, okay, in Computer Science, in Electronics. So many streams, almost many streams are eligible. Now for Scientific Assistant A, the it's a level 6. It's a Group B job for Scientific Assistant A, and for Scientist B it is a Group A job. So that's why here pay scale will be differ. So here pay scale is 35,400 to 1,12,400. Okay, and here also BTech candidates are eligible. BTech in any stream. So these are the streams that are eligible, and here also up to 30, and relaxation is also there, means those who are having a CST like 5 years, so normal relaxation is there the way. And here there is no interview, only written test. Okay, objective type only, no written test. So up to 30 here also the age limit. Now age limit, like the reservation is there up to 5 year for SC/ST, for 3 OBC, for 10. So this is the normal reservation. Now, see here, there are two posts for scientist B and scientific assistant. So you can apply for both posts also. The candidate can apply for both the post, but only one stream. CS as per post of his or her choice. So you can apply for the both the post, okay, but only one stream you should choose. And definitely anyone will have only one stream only. It's not going to have more than one stream. In rare cases only it is going to be. So these are the instruction how to apply. Okay, and this point is important, that applicants are required to make sure that application status in their application is submitted successfully. After that submission of application, otherwise application will be treated as incomplete and rejected. It is going to get rejected. So your status, application status should be submitted successfully after doing all this. Okay, so you can go to the main page of that, and when you are filling this, like you will, if you are having a new, then new user registration, you can click and you can fill all the details like this. You can go further. Okay, like you can go further, and after completing everything, your status should be submitted successfully, then only it will treat it correctly, otherwise it will get rejected. Okay, so this is incorrect only because they have revised, that's why I did a cross mark. Okay, now see the application fee for SC, ST, PW and women candidates, it's 400, and for general and other it's 800 per application. You should not pay like from demand draft, pay order, check or challan will not be accepted. Okay. Now see the scheme of written examination. So written examination I have told you as a objective type, it is going to have technical and generic area. So and the duration of written test is of 3 hours. Now what is going to be the generic area I will tell you. So technical, whatever technical like it's almost like the GATE syllabus. Syllabus also I will upload, I will show you, and it is even in the description. So what is going to be in generic area? So the generic area, say here, generic area will compromise of logical, analytical reasoning, capabilities, quantitatives and quantitative aptitudes, and general awareness and aptitude. Okay. So you are going to have 120 objective type question. Sorry, consisting of 65 questions from technical area. Okay, from technical area it is going to 65 question, and from other generic 35 question, and each question will carry 1 marks, and there will be negative marking of 0.25 for each wrong question, means there is a negative marking of 0.25. Okay, for each correct you will get 1 marks negative this, and the cutoff for written exam will be 50% for generic and EWS category candidate, means general category it should be 50%, and 40% for OBC candidate, 30% for SC ST PW candidate. Okay, the see, it is also important. The cutoff marks specified would be applicable in overall marks as well as for each section. For each section area, you will require some cutoff that they will consider. That also you require, and overall also it's required. And the syllabus for scientist B and scientist A, it's available here, and I will show you now. Okay, the syllabus. So this is the syllabus for scientist B. Okay, like see, you can see computer science, and this it is almost same like see digital, computer organization, analog, almost same like GATE syllabus, operating system, compiler things. Some will differ. So here for all stream it is mentioned that for CS the syllabus is different, for IT the syllabus is different, see for information technology. Okay, for other stream also the syllabus will be different. See here, this is for electronics, and now this is the syllabus for scientific assistant A. So for scientific assistant A only written exam, no interview, and for scientist B there is a written exam as well as the interview. Okay, now center for written exam is going to your Agartala, Bangalore, this are the Calicut channel. You are having 12 options. And the most important thing, the candidate applying for both the posts should fill the same city of written exam in both applications. Means if you are applying for both the post, then this examination center should be one for both the post. Okay, see, for both the post, the same city of written exam should be there. An interview for the post of scientist B will be conducted at Delhi. Okay, it will be Delhi. And selection procedure is going to have in the ratio of 1885 is to 50. Okay, means 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3 is this selection procedure. So if number of vacancies is 1, then for interview they are going to call 3 candidate. Okay, 1 is to 3 is the criteria. And the weightage of marks for written examination and interview will be ratio 85 is dot 15, means written exam they will consider 85 and interview they will consider 15. This is the weightage, means 100 marks, so 85% of weightage is going to consider in your written exam, and 50% is for your interview. Okay, so weightage, this is the written weightage and this is the interview weightage. So these are the things. See, for the post of scientific assistant, selection will be based on written test only, that I have told you. And this is important. Verification of the document will be done at the time of interview for scientist B. Okay, for this position, at the time of interview, they will going to verify your document, and verification of document will be done before in respect of post of joining, before joining in respect of the post of scientific assistant. Here before joining it will check, okay, and here at the interview they will check. And these are the some action against misconduct. These things are not that much important, you can go through it at least once. Okay, like when you are giving caste certificate, then maximum size is this, then EWS certificate, and this you should see. Okay, date of birth certificate, like these things is there, so you can go through it. These are not that much important, but while filling the form you should take the this thing, because you should have to follow this maximum size is like 250 KB. Okay, so you can go through it, and it is there. And now, so most important thing is that it's a very good job, you can apply. Okay, you can apply. If you find it that this video is essential, you got a very valid, then you please comment and like and share with your friends, so that they can also fill this form and they can get a good PSU job. Okay, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone.